He stood at the door with a trash bag. Not a suitcase, not a backpack, a trash bag. Inside, there were 3 shirts, 2 pairs of socks, and the only photo he had of his sister. He was 16. The state had run out of places to put him. His last placements have been in boardrooms, hospitals, detention centers. Spaces never meant to be a home. No one failed him more than the system that was meant to protect him. But this is not a story about failure. This is a story about what we can build to do better. At West40 at St. Joseph, we're ready to create something transformational. A 30-acre trauma-informed sanctuary where youth in care don't fall through the cracks, but rise into their futures. We have the land, we have the vision, we have the models, partnerships, and blueprint for a better way. What we need now is the courageous investment to bring it to life. Because children are still showing up with trash bags, sleeping wherever there is 6 square feet of unused space, and still ending up homeless. But imagine this instead. That same young man, he unpacks into drawers for the first time. He learns to cook, to regulate, to rebuild trust. He graduates. He earns his first paycheck. And the day he walks out of St. Joe's, he says 7 words we'll never forget. I didn't know I could have a future. We are offering a chance to build a legacy of lasting change. Let's turn this vision into walls and these walls into a sanctuary. Because once it's built, they will come. And once they come, they will rise.